Hello everybody, welcome back, or welcome to my channel. And today I will be reviewing a crunchy Kit Kat Rolo bar. And I've put my microphone closer for better audio quality. And I have high hopes for this because Kit Kats are good, Rolo's good. Hopefully it's not dark chocolate Kit Kat because those suck. They're fucking shit. Anyways. Oh, it looks like it melted. That's fine. Okay, so it's just... Oh, it's 3C. Oh, shit. Just like a Rolo. I'm gonna try it. Damn. That's good as fuck. Look at that. That's crazy. So you can share with 2 friends. Unless you don't eat chocolate. This one will be the last one. Didn't break it in half because it's melting since I poured it out of the fridge a while ago. I had high hopes for this. I'm really happy it was good. But holy shit, that's good. Shit, I might even end up eating the wrapper. The wrapper actually smells like a Rolo. Well, the only reason why I know Rolo is because of Rolo ice cream. That shit's delicious. Or the wrapper fell on the ground. Anyways, if I were to rate that, well, if I were to get it again, I would most definitely get it again. That shit was delicious. I would buy it again and again and again and again and again. That shit is absolutely delicious. I could eat like 10 in a day. That is absolutely amazing. It's not like the Hershey's. That stuff was way too sweet. And SpongeBob freeze dried, it was good, but still pretty sweet. Didn't say it was sour. I'm not saying I don't like sour. Sour's good, but I'm not reviewing SpongeBob. I'm reviewing the Kit Kat Crunchy Rolo. I would rate that a 10 out of 10. Thank you all so much for watching. If you want to support the channel, subscribe if you want to, and like, comment. I'll see you guys Monday. Bye.